But we need to stay with us. Let's get in one more voice from the House of SNC Capital. Mr. Jagannatham now joins us. Mr. Jagannatham, your reaction to the breaking news. The Munjal family is looking at picking up 20% stake from Honda, and they're looking at increasing their stake closer to 40% plus.
Yeah, I mean, this was waiting to happen, and then finally it has happened. As far as Munjal Group is concerned, probably it's an effort to consolidate their position because they were at 26%. So after this acquisition, they will reach 46. Only thing is they are doing the transaction at almost at the high end, when the prices are almost at all-time highs. Having said that, the price is only at 15 times PE multiple, so it is not, it may not be such an exaggerated valuation as well. Only thing is arranging 7,000 crores may stretch Munjal Group little bit now because it may force them to put a lot of their shares in collateral. So that is one concern. But otherwise, it may be open acknowledgement by both the groups that now India has reached a level where both the groups can pursue their business interests separately in their respective manner, and respective brands of Hero Group separately and the Honda Group separately. But 26 years of marriage is, I think, is about to get a divorce finally. And as far as open offer is concerned, there will not be any open offer in the transaction because the transaction will be rated as interstate promoter transfer, wherein one promoter is selling the stake to another promoter, which will not trigger any open offer. Even if 6% is purchased by KKR, that will not trigger open offer because open offer will get triggered only at 15%.
Jagannatham, between Hero Honda and Bajaj Auto, we know this divorce was coming, but the fact that it's happening at this point in time where Bajaj Auto is clearly carving a niche on its own, does it shift the bias in favor of Bajaj?
Yeah, I mean, because all these are murky and the blue chip kind of groups, and which they have weathered through all the crisis and all the uncertain times as well. So there is no reason why not to believe that the group will continue its legacy, and also the technical as well as the research capabilities of the Honda Group has been completely absorbed by the Munjal Group for almost more than 2 decades. So I think the leadership of the Hero Honda can be expected to continue. As far as Bajaj and Hero Honda, it's a classic battle. I think it will go on, and the ultimate beneficiary will be the customers because they will get good brands at lower valuations. As far as investors are concerned, I think both stocks should do fairly well. After all, automobile is a perfect proxy for any economy.
All right, 2 months for events to develop and maintain a hold.
Yes, couple of points. One is today overall market is also not looking strong, and I think at times even that kind of bad market mood also can rub off on this kind of deal announcements because already the market is in a very nervous zone. Plus uncertainty associated with this deal. Understandably, the share price is in very bad shape as of now. But sometimes these knee-jerk reactions can give an opportunity for quick bounces and then for a short-term blips. But one should be savvy trader to really take advantage of these bounces. Otherwise, it is better to take it easy and maintain a hold. But if you are a savvy investor, nothing wrong in adding little bit to your portfolio.